Well, hello, my frilly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. Hope your weekend's going great so far. We're back at Aldi. We just came from the grand opening store, and wow, it was crazy, but I expect that from a new store. Here at the other Murrieta location, so much more calm. So let's go through some of these new items. Now, I showed this last week, the landscape turf rug. There was no price, so we got the price now. $25 here. It's normally $30, so it may be $30 at other locations. $13 or $12.99, this planter box. That is actually a really good size, only 3 left. And the cornhole games, this is that beanbag toss. This is a good size. So you're getting the boards, you're getting the beans or the bean bags, you're getting about 8 of them. This is such a great fun activity, but the price of it here at Aldi, $30. That is probably the best price I have seen. I've seen these at Sam's Club and Costco, Home Goods. This one is the best price so far. I would love to have one, but I'm gonna have to have my husband with me because this is a heavy box. And these insulated bags, perfect for warm weather, especially when you're going grocery shopping. These are $7.99. There's 2 different designs, and I love these bags. These are really nice and perfect for traveling as well. Now, the swimming pool toys are just getting more and more fun and creative. $30. And so there's several different ones in here. I'm just going to pull out the one on top because I don't want to make a mess. And look how adorable this is. I would even enjoy floating on that even as an adult. So there's different animals, there's floating noodles in here. How fun. And the 4-way basket hanger. This is really nice, 66 inches tall. You could put it anywhere. You could put it on your patio, grass, $25. That is actually a really great price. And the smokeless portable fire pit. Now this is very close to, there's another brand called Solo. I've seen it at Costco and other places. They're not entirely smokeless. One of my friends has one, but she says it does reduce it. This is $120. Definitely a lot less than the Solo brand. And the boho hanging chair, there's 2 designs. So they have the circle and they have the square, and they include the hardware to hang them up. So that is actually really cool, very pretty. And so the square ones are at the bottom, but the price, $40 for these. And how cool are these? The pool saddle seat, $16.99. There are so many great pool items nowadays. It's so squishy. I like that. And if you're wanting a pool, well, yeah, Aldi has them too. So durable, strong. And the active frame pool, you're getting a filter pump and a filter cartilage. And this is $130. Not a bad price. You can see someone already grabbed one. And for $10, a cold brew coffee system. We did see this at the other store. It was just so packed. I just couldn't grab and really look at everything as much as I wanted to. That is actually a good price. And the cast iron brazier, this is always a nice item to have. That price, $25. That is a great price. So there's green and silver and then white and gold. And they also have a matching saucepan. All right, for $14.99, that's 2 burner griddle. That is really nice. And for $7.99, and there's a lot of great items for your grill. The flat grill topper, keep everything from falling through. For $34.99, some more outdoor fun. So this is a giant wooden 4 in a row, also Connect 4, but I don't think they could call it that. But those are always fun. And the blocks, okay, this box was super heavy. Like I could even pull it out, so definitely get some help with that one if you want to get one. And for $6.99, the bicycle accessories. Nowadays, cell phone holder, definitely a must, as I think most of us carry one. As water bottle, I see like the tools. That's always good to have. And of course, the tire pump. And the bicycle seats. Oh, are these seats or seat cover? Oh, these are seat covers. Okay, for $10, but not a bad price. The memory foam, get a little extra cushion. And for $10, this is definitely a must. I remember when I was younger, it was the reflectors. Now you actually need true lights. So $10, not a bad price for these. You can see the sets. That's really nice. And for $15, of course, your bike helmet. And you could use this for any outdoor activities, scooters, bicycles, skating. Not a bad price for those. And the ladies' court sneakers. There's ladies and there's men's, so you can definitely double check the sizes. They're $12.99. Wow, not a bad price. Let's see what these look like. I know there's a picture, but oh, not bad at all. And $24.99. We did see these at the other store, was the backpacks. I like the way the other store had them displayed. These are kind of shoved in there. Let's see if we can open this up, see what it looks like inside. But you got adjustable straps. Wow, really nice. You could put a lot in there. And the recliner lounger for the water, $40. What will they think of next? There's so many cool pool items now. The chill mat. See, that looks fun too. That's $40. And then we saw some of these. The 3-in-1 splash park. What a great price. $40. Now more of the beanbag sets for $6.99. We saw these last week with no price. And over here, the paper plates, $3.45. Wow, not bad. How many are in here? 300. Okay. For $12.99, the ladies' terry cover-up, sizes small all the way up to XL. These are great to have. I like how long it is. Check it out. This is actually a perfect length for these. I like how thin they are, so you're not going to get hot, especially if you're wearing one at the beach or at the pool. You have about 3 colors to choose from. The zip up, these are really, really nice. And what a great price. So definitely look in the back if you're looking for your size or your favorite color. These are going to be hot sellers. And for $4.99, these little freeze pop trays, these are super cute. So there's only 2 in there, but I mean for $5. You got the penguin or the leaf. Those will be selling out pretty fast. And that's the thing with Aldi. Aldi items sell out really quick. So that's why they kind of suggest get it today or you may not get it. Now, Aldi does have a great return policy as well. I mean, $20 for the box fan. You have that tabletop charcoal grill. Now this is $69.99. But yeah, if you get something home, it doesn't work out or it's not working at all, yeah, just save your receipt and you could definitely return it to Aldi. I've returned a couple of items and no problems at all. $39.99 for the pedestal fan. Now they're the same product, just two different packaging, and $4.99 for the wine glass. This is a double wall, so it's insulated. Here's another insulated tumbler for $6.99. Oh, that is perfect for crafting. Yeah, this is actually a really good price. That is nice. You got a few colors to choose from. And then right next to it for $2.99, I'm actually going to grab a couple of these silicone utensils. Those are nice at a great price too. And now for $10 is the baking and pizza stone. So there's two of them. You get rectangle or round. It has a good weight to it. So yeah, you can use it on your grill, in your oven. That is really a good price. Now for $10.99, these are hot chicken breast fries. Ooh, spicy. This is a good size box. That is not a small box at all. And this plant stand, now I had to check the price on these. They're $6.99. I'm definitely going to grab this one. What a great price. And for $4.29, gelato. Oh, it looks so pretty. I like gelato. It's always pretty and creamy and it tastes good. So, oh, peach cobbler. That is one of my favorite desserts. I need to make it. Oh, this looks so good. A peach ice cream, or gelato actually. Which one was this one? That was the mocha. Ooh, nice coffee flavor. Here's some of the ingredients. Oh, we found another one. Birthday cake. Oh, those look so good. And the fruit bars, $2.69. So we saw two different ones at the last store. So this one is pineapple and lime. They all sound so good. I like that. No high fructose corn syrup and no artificial flavors. Perfect. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along with me today. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.